Hello friends. Today we will know which remedy is given in Ayurveda by which we can increase our height at home. Children who are physically and mentally weak, this medicine is helpful in their development. They should sleep for at least 8 hours. Take out time for exercise, yoga and morning and evening walk. Whenever you get time, do the exercise of hanging on a rod or pole. Swimming, rope jumping, and playing games also help in increasing height. Eat green leafy vegetables and fruits in the diet and drink more water. Vitamin D is required the most to increase height. Vitamin D is found in mushroom, almonds, lentils, tofu, cow's milk and milk products, and sun rays, etc. Therefore, these things are absolutely necessary for growing children. Apart from exercise like swimming and running on hands and feet, man needs a lot of protein, calcium, and vitamin in the food. And eating nutrition food is beneficial in increasing height. To increase height, mix jaggery in onion juice and consuming it together. This helps in the rapid growth of the body. By doing this, the height of people of 24-25 years has also been seen to increase. To increase height, add half teaspoon turmeric and 3 to 4 drops of shilajit in 200 grams of milk in the morning and evening. Heat it well and take it with ashwagandha. This makes the body strong, increases immunity, sharpness the mind and also increases height. Broccoli is a vegetable that looks like cauliflower but its color is green. This vegetable is rich in vitamin C and iron, which helps in increasing blood in the body as well as increasing height and fighting cancer cells. Beans, which are also known as lobia, rajma or gewda, it contains many types of nutrition like fiber, vitamins, carbohydrate and proteins which promote the growth of height hormones in the body. We all know that eating carrot increasing blood in the body, but apart from this, it is also helpful in increasing height. Cabbage, which we also know as small cabbage or cabbage, the proteins, vitamins, iron, fiber and minerals present in it are helpful in increasing height. For similar Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to Earn Ayurveda.